Hi, my name is Jasmine and welcome to the fourth Quick Start video of Software AG's Cumulocity IoT. Today we are going to talk about the administration of your Cumulocity IoT tenant and how you can add and remove users, define roles and so on. When you log on to the Cumulocity IoT and land on the welcome page, you can easily reach the administration app through the app switcher or quick link tile. Once you are in the administration app, you will see quick links to some useful administration features, as well as some usage statistics. The left-hand navigation pane contains a complete menu of all administration features. Let's first take a look at the usage stats. Here, you can see important information including number of API requests, amount of storage in use, as well as number of devices and users. These statistics are available for the current month and for the last month. Now, let's take a look at how to manage users and groups. In the left-hand navigation pane, click Users in the Accounts menu and then click Add User. You will then be asked to enter the username and email address, as well as name and telephone number. The next important task in adding users is to assign roles to the user, such as cockpit user, device management user, administrator, and many more. Users can also be deactivated or deleted from the system entirely. Simply click on the user menu in the left-hand navigation pane for a list of configured users. Then click on the three black dots to the far right of the user and select Disable or Delete. Cumulocity IoT comes complete with many predefined roles and has rich capabilities to let you create custom roles. At a high level, the platform distinguishes between two main role types: global roles and inventory roles. Global roles define rights for all data in the tenant, whereas inventory roles define rights for groups of devices. You can view the roles by clicking the Roles menu in the left-hand navigation pane. There is a tab to view all the global roles, as well as a tab to view inventory roles. When you click on a tab, the roles for that type will be shown with a short description to tell you exactly what it is configured to do. You can easily create a new role by clicking Add Role. You can also modify existing roles by clicking on the three black dots to the right of the role. The next admin feature we will look at is Audit Logs. If you click Audit Logs from the Accounts menu in the left-hand navigation pane, you will see a list of changes to settings that have been tracked. The next feature to explore is Settings, where an admin can define settings that are valid for all users. Application settings specify which app in the app switcher is the default app when users first log on. This is typically the cockpit, but can be another app or a custom app that you have created. Password settings can be used to set a default period of time after which users must change their passwords. If you set this to 0, users will never have to change their password. The final admin feature we would like to cover in this tutorial is retention rules under the Management menu. Here, you can define how long different data types are stored in your tenant. The default retention period for all data types is 60 days, after which the data will be automatically deleted. To change this for a specific data type, click Add Rule and enter the retention period you require. That's all we have time for in this tutorial. We covered the basics of user and group management, audit logs, application defaults, and data retention. We hope you have found it useful. And if you have any questions at all, just click this link and we'll get right back to you. Thank you. And be sure to tune in to the other videos in this series to see how to administer your Cumulocity IoT tenant and much more.